Let's see if it starts. Got an Infiniti here. Yep. And it starts. Very nice. When we started the engine, I noticed a oil splash on the floor, so you know, after checking it right here, apparently this is where the oil filter is in those cars, and this one is cracked. We broke engine mount right above it. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been 2 weeks, a little bit over, since I got the car, and we have some major progress. It took a while. There was actually a few days of actual work, but you know, finding out which parts are broken and ordering them and waiting for them to come in, that's majority of the time. Really, it was 2-3 solid days of work to get it to the shape that it is at right now. So let me walk you through and show you what's been done and where we at. Okay, first things first. As you know, the wheel was totally damaged, and so was the tire. So we had to order another rim from Infiniti, and I had to order a tire. You might notice that there is one bolt missing here. That's because they have security locks, and I got rid of that. I'm not gonna put it back in. So the power steering, and when removing power steering, I broke another part, the engine mount. So let me show you how that went. Okay guys, we pulled out the power steering assembly. You can see part numbers are obviously matching. So here's one and the other. And this is how it looks here. Quite a bit of room. Okay, and here we are. So this is the Fender, original parts from the dealer. At this point, no framing work has been done on the car. So you see this is a little bit off. I mean, it's still loose on the screws. It's not tight all the way, but looks pretty good actually. You know, as far as fitting, there are some little, you know, the light needs to be moved out. Again, we just put it on just to see how it fits. Obviously, we still have the issue with the door here. The door is damaged, so that's going to be fixed. Hopefully, the shop can fix the door. If not, we'll have to order a new one. Mirror, I didn't put that in because I have to take off the whole cover inside, and as you see, there's not much room here, so I couldn't open the door. So here's the front of the car. New light, new wheel, new tire. The brake lines, new power steering assembly, new engine mount in the back, and obviously all the control arms, strut, and so on. We have some new brackets here for the Fender. This one right behind here, you can see it's black, so all of that will be painted. The door has a little gap here. It's looking much better since we replaced the hinges. We don't know if that's a framing damage right there, or if it's just damage on the door itself. The actual metal has been pushed in a little bit. Well, so obviously I'm not gonna touch it myself. We're gonna take it to the shop and they're gonna determine if it's frame or not. As far as wheels, everything, and suspension, everything looks good. Once we take it from the shop and take it for painting, then I'm gonna finish all the inside, and we're gonna obviously take it for inspection, alignment, and all that good stuff. So here's the old bumper from the car, and here's the new one with that big box from the dealer, and the roof also. That's a huge box, roof liner, headliner. So now what I have to do is take this bumper, take out all the pieces from it out, all the grills, camera, fog lights, and so on, and put it on that new one that is in the box. And then after that, install it, and it's gonna go for painting. So actually it might go for painting before I put the grills on. Anyways, that's the plan, that's where we stand. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.